8 Benefits of a Healthy Lifestyle. Do you want an additional inspiration to follow a more solid way of life? These advantages of a sound way of life might be exactly what you want to focus on, making progress with your everyday propensities into better ones. Furthermore, trust me, when you roll out those improvements and experience their constructive outcomes, you won't have any desire to return. Number 1. You'll improve your physical health. Eating the right food sources and mix with actual work and sufficient rest is a recipe for a solid body. Track down any type of development that brings you happiness. Maybe this is climbing a 14er, taking a yoga class, internet, lifting loads at the rec center, or basically strolling your children home from school. All types of development count towards working on your well-being. Number 2. You'll improve your mental health. It's not difficult to become involved with the hustle of work, kids, and different obligations. However, part of keeping a sound brain includes making time to stride back and unwind. This incorporates getting sufficient rest, yet in addition carving out margin for yourself to accomplish something you love. This could include going for a stroll away from your work area, perusing a decent book, requiring a 5-minute directed reflection, or playing with your pet. Participating in these sorts of exercises can diminish your pressure and work on your in general emotional well-being. Number 3. You'll get more energy naturally. Try not to misjudge the force of rest. Specialists propose that grown-ups need somewhere in the range of 7 to 9 hours of rest every night to work at their best. Focusing on rest while likewise filling your body with the right food sources can assist you with having more energy normally. This implies you will not need to drink 5 cups of espresso to feel like a working person. Number 4. You'll boost your mood. A great many people realize that eating better is great for your body, yet it tends to be similarly as supportive for your brain. A solid eating routine including a lot of sound fats like omega-3s, which can diminish melancholy and decline temperament issues. Food sources high in omega-3s incorporate fish, particularly greasy fish, for example, salmon, flax seeds, chia seeds, and pecans. Number 5. You'll prevent diseases and health issues. Numerous parts of a solid way of life can help with forestalling specific sicknesses and medical problems like weight, diabetes, coronary illness, and certain tumors. As a matter of fact, various examinations demonstrate the way that taking part in sound way of life exercises can give individuals a more extended life liberated from ongoing illnesses. So, albeit numerous infections and medical problems are beyond our control, we actually can enable ourselves and carry on with a more extended, better life through our decisions. Number 6. You'll save money. A sound way of life includes eating supplement-thick food varieties that cause you to feel sustained and fulfilled. This is frequently achieved by preparing your dinners at home with fixings close by. Cooking for yourself can assist you with setting aside cash by eating out less. Likewise, as referenced in benefit number 5, a solid eating routine might forestall sicknesses and medical problems, which implies less outings to the specialist and more cash in your pocket. Number 7. You'll always have goals to work towards. Accomplishing a solid way of life includes numerous parts of your life: how you eat, how you move your body, and how you participate in taking care of oneself. Exercises. Attempt to work on each area in turn by putting forth objectives. Arriving at your objectives can assist you with feeling achieved and help your general self-assurance. Make certain to make your objectives SMART. Number 8. You'll improve your kitchen confidence. As referenced in benefit number 6, following a good dieting design includes preparing more food at home as opposed to continuously eating out or depending on frozen dinners. This permits you to invest more energy in the kitchen, investigating various fixings, recipes, and cooking techniques which will further develop your kitchen certainty. Thanks for watching. Like and comment. Please subscribe my channel.